Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Nissan Murano SL. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in gunmetallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch machined wheels. Some of your exterior features include roof rails, a bird's eye view camera, and motion-activated liftgate for your convenience. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Murano has to offer. Helping us into our Nissan Murano, we have our proximity key. So we do have the remote start, then we have the lock and unlock buttons, plus we have our trunk latch and then our panic button. So we're going to pop this in our pocket. So the proximity key, if we are close to our door, all we have to do is press this button that will lock and then unlock as well. We do have our signal on the mirrors, so that's nice and convenient there for those high-speed lane changes, letting everybody know what we're doing. So we'll hop inside. I've locked and then unlocked. There we go. So we're looking at our door panel. We have some nice some nice metallic layering right there. Nice feature. And then so we have the window buttons. We have the lock and unlock. Plus we have the window lock, and then we have our mirror buttons there as well. Then we have a programmable. So we have two programmable buttons on there to set the seat to whatever we might need in case we do have two regular drivers. And then that seat is right here. We do have some nice leather trim, and then we have the nice detail stitching just by the side and the seams. So we have the 8-way adjuster with lumbar support as well. And hopping into the Murano, and just take a look at the inside. The dash is nice and beautiful, has that nice metallic trim all over, and then we have some nice metal looking trim as well just all along here. Some nice features, very nice to look at. Looks like a spaceship, which is pretty cool. So we'll press our brake and then we'll press our start button, and there we go. And we will just wait until our beeping stops, and now that it's stopped, we'll check out our instrument cluster. So we have 3,868 kilometers on this vehicle. That is not a whole lot. That's amazing. So navigating through our multi-information display right here, so we're going to use this button on the left to navigate through which one we would like to look at. And then all we have to do is press this OK button, and then we'll look through all of the different features that we can pop into. Now in order to get back to anything else, all we'll do is press this button again, navigate through whatever else we might need to look through, and then also on that left hand side we have our source. We can change our audio source and then volume buttons as well, plus we have voice recognition and then hands-free calling. On the right hand side we have our cruise control. So looking at our entertainment system, right now we have the navigation screen. So we have that nice map, nice and easy to look at and very feature heavy. Look at our audio. Here we have all of our audio lists, and then we can look at our sources. We do have that XM capability, which comes in handy if we like that. We have the phone, which you could connect via Bluetooth. We can press our info. We might have to wait 1 second here, or we'll press the back button. There we go. No Bluetooth connection because I do not want to add one. But then we'll look at our navigation, popping anything in, and then we can change our settings as well. So popping it into reverse, that's our nice 360-degree camera. Gives us a bird's eye view of what we're doing. We'll pop it into park for safety's sake. Then we look at our dual zone climate control. On the left hand side we have the driver's side, and then the right hand side we have the passenger, controlled by these dials, and all we have to do is press that. No dual, that means it just goes to the driver's temperature. Pressing dual gives us independence, and we can set it to whatever we would like. Blowers controlled by these buttons. We have the defroster, the air conditioning, and then the circulation system right there. We have our push button start, and just to the right of that we have the USB and auxiliary, and then we have a 12-volt DC outlet as well. Little space for maybe some change or some phones, devices, wallets, and then 2 cup holders. We also have excuse me. We also have this nice trim down here. I really like this. It's a nice feature, nice colors. And then we also have the heated seats there for driver and passenger. So looking down a little bit into our cockpit, we have the passenger side glove compartment. Lots of room inside there. It's a locking compartment as well. So if we need to lock anything inside, keeping it valuable and safe is no problem. A little bit back here we can open this up, and this is our very large and very spacious cubby hole with another 12-volt DC outlet just right there. And then one more feature I'd like to show you, we do have our panoramic sunroof. So we will open this right up. The front and back. Very beautiful, very big, spacious, and easy to open up, just like that. So we'll make sure we close. But so that's her. We'll just wait for that to shut right down. Promise you it's worth it once that thing gets open. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll check out the back of the Nissan Murano here. A few things to show you. We do have those dual tip exhaust down there, plus we have our nice chrome plating up along the back bumper, and then we also have our chrome plating just below the tailgate. Then we also have our backup camera just right there, giving us an extra set of eyes. So in order to pop in, we'll press our button. 3 beeps and it's open. It gives us this immense amount of cargo space back here, plus we have the 60/40 splitting rear seat. And we'll look just underneath. And we have our jack and all of our tools we would need to change this spare tire should anything happen. So we have these 2 levers right here, so we'll pull this one. That moves that seat down. This next lever pushes that seat down as well. So you can see there's an even more amount of cargo space since we have those 60/40 splitting seats down to this Murano. Definitely has lots of capability, lots of room for anything you might need. In order to close our gate, press our button. Once again, 3 beeps and we're done. So we'll close up the tailgate. Let's take a last look at our 2018 Nissan Murano SL. Some other features include power mirrors, heated leather seats, and premium Bose surround sound system to give you the luxury you crave. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.